Remitly money transfer tutorial, how to use Remitly to send and receive money. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video we'll take a look at Remitly. This device provides us the opportunity to transfer money through a lot of different countries, and basically it's easier to interact with Remitly by using App Store app or Google Play app. But in order to make a review to show how does it work, it will be better to interact with website itself. So here we are on their start page, remitly.com, and in order to interact with a platform, in order to interact with this device, we firstly need to create an account. So basically we need to click on join now in the right top, or if you use your app, you'll have to log in or sign up through your account. So if you don't have, you'll have to create it. Here we just simply need to click on join now, and after that all we need to do is to choose our country where we would like to send money to, like to Argentina, Albania, and so on. As you can see, we have a huge list of different countries. Almost every country performed here, so you can do it easily. And if there is some countries unavailable, as you can see, we have coming soon and so on. So almost every single country is available for Remitly transfers. And after a small registration, where you need to fill email address, password, and only confirm password, you'll be able to interact with interface itself. Let's take a look at what opportunities Remitly provide us to interact with. So if you want to check fees, if you want to check exchange rates, you can just simply open the website, and here if you'll scroll down for a little, we'll have this option where would you like to send money to. So here among all the countries we can choose what would we like to use to interact with. So for example, we want to send money to for example Finland, and everything will be updated as for Finland directly, and we'll be able to check all the things. So as you know, a lot of companies like these, they provide the opportunity to interact with the calculator inside of main page. But in order to check exchange rates for Remitly, we need to scroll down and here click on rates and fees. And after that, we'll be able to see the exchange rate. As you can see, if you're going to send money from the US to Finland, we'll have to convert from US dollars to euro. And Remitly provides us the opportunity to use this course. For $1, we'll have 0.93 European cents. So Remitly offers dependable exchange rates for USD to euro with no hidden fees. So we can easily set up our transfer by using this exchange rate. So if everything is okay, we can click on start your transfer, and after that we'll come to the page where we need to set up our transfer. So basically Remitly is a pretty safe platform to use. As you can see, we have a couple of reasons why should we choose Remitly. Guaranteed delivery, so rest easy knowing your transfers will be delivered on time or will refund your fees. Also, they provide a secure transaction, so send money home with security designed to keep your transfers protected. And also they provide global network, so choose what works for you from a growing network of banks and cash pick applications. And also Remitly is trusted worldwide, so join millions from across the globe who trust Remitly to send money home. If we want to find more information, all we need to do is to scroll down. Also we'll find, by the way, send money to Finland fees. So here we have express fee and also the economy fee. It means that if you're going to send between $0 and $1,000, you'll have to use express fee for $2. And if you're going to send 1,000 and more, we won't be charged any fees. So basically, in order to send money with Remitly, we need to use 5 simple steps. So we need to create an account using our email address through our website or our app on the App Store or Google Pay. Select the currency, the amount you want to send, and the delivery speed. So choose how your money is delivered, and also enter the name and information of the person who will receive the money. Also enter your payment information and select confirm transfer to send. And now basically everything is done and our Remitly transfer was successfully sent, and all we need to do is just simply wait. So we can easily send money worldwide. Remitly gives you the option when sending money to Finland, depending on your recipient location. Choose from trusted banks, cash pick application, mobile wallets, or home deliveries for reliable transfers. So when we are going to choose a country, we can easily find options to receive money. So for example, as for Finland, we have like Oppola, Ria, Danske Bank, and also Alansen Banken, something like this. So yeah, if you want to see like some questions, some answer for questions, we can find like how much does it cost to send money with Remitly? Do you have any discounts for new customers? How does Remitly work, and how do I get started sending money? So yeah. Also in the bottom of the screen, we can find the options about like company, blog, information, investors, and so on. So what is really interesting is that Remitly is like pretty high trusted on Trustpilot. We have like almost 42,000 reviews, and the average mark is like 4.1, where we have like almost 80% of 5-star reviews, which is pretty cool. So it means that it's pretty safe. And basically we only have like 11% of 1-star reviews. Maybe something went wrong or something like this. So as you can see, Trustpilot says that this company is great, and we can easily use this like service to transfer our money. Also, what is interesting is that we can find a lot of information about security. So find that all the transactions and accounts are totally secure because they use like encrypted stuff to save our money. And also, if you have any questions, we can easily contact support for Remitly, for example, about our transfers. We just simply need to scroll down, and then we'll be able to chat with the customer support in English, French, and Spanish 24/7. So we can chat, or we can search for different questions inside of like help center. And as you can see, we have a couple of options we can search. So we can try to search, for example, for send money, and then we'll be able to see information about sending and receiving money. So as you can see, Remitly is a really good service. It's secured and it's worth to use. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.